Ladies and gentlemen, today we're doing Minecraft PE. I'm gonna show you a sorry about that. So I'm gonna show you a zombie spawner. So let's get to it. So 197.54. 197.54. It's a short seed. So I found the seed in survival. So you're gonna spawn right here. So let's go over here. So it's gonna be like a right around here. Yeah, it's the cave right here. So sorry if you can't hear me. Let's get the glowstone out. So then you come in here, come down here. So then you'll see a zombie spawner. See, it's pretty cool. So you have that right there, red. Forgot what that is, and other things. Like that again. 2 iron ingots bucket. So guys, hope you enjoyed this guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye bye.